Today, I'll show you a conversation that I recorded in native camp. I try to use phrases in distinction. I stumble on saying English a lot, but see me as I am. I put on subtitle halfway through. Let's get started.
How are you?
Hello.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
元気ですか today?
Yes, I'm very good.
I see you're not sleepy yet, actually.
Yeah,
It's late night in Japan.
I didn't sleep yet.
I see, great. And I see you choose daily news for today's class. Right.
Pardon me?
I see you choose daily news. Why more people are saying?
Yeah,
No.
that's right. That's right.
Okay, so would you like to start with some new words and phrases here?
Can I talk with you a few free conversation
Oh,
before
please, of course.
the article? Because I want to use a new expression I learned today. And
Oh, great, it's good.
can I record this movie? And if I broadcast in YouTube or something, can I do that?
Of course, it's okay with me. Of course.
Thank you.
No problem.
So I want to use the words I learned from the book Distinction. I started learning in this winter vacation.
Okay.
Yeah, it is full of words which native speaker use.
I see.
So we can't study in school at all. So I today I want to start to talk about my day first. Okay.
Okay, please, of course.
Okay. So today I was off. And I went out my way to go shopping in Costco, which is a little far from my place. So finally, I got my hands on seasoning that I had wanted for a long time. I watched it on TV and I knew it is very delicious. After that, I had been looking for it in Costco all the time I went to Costco, but they had never had it. So I'm looking forward to eating it now. I finally got it.
Well, lucky you. Finally, you got some great seasoning for you.
Yeah, great seasoning. It is Montreal seasoning. Montreal steak seasoning.
I see.
Yeah.
So, this is a Canadian,
Yeah, maybe
seasoning.
it's Canadian.
Montreal, Canada, right?
Yeah.
I see. So what is the special about this seasoning for you?
Well, what is special about seasoning? What
Yes,
does it mean?
this seasoning. Yes, this is the specific seasoning.
I don't know. No, I don't. But on the
You like the
TV,
commercial, maybe. You like the commercial, right?
no, on the TV and in Japan now Costco is very popular, and
I see.
sometimes I see the TV which is focus on Costco's products, and I just see the TV show. I saw the TV show. In the TV show, this is the number one product in Costco.
Oh,
They
I
said.
see.
So
So it's famous, right?
maybe it is famous, but they had never had it.
Oh, I see.
So
I understand.
I'm very looking forward to it.
I see. So having a good steak with this seasoning will be quite a treat for you.
Yeah, that's right.
I see. Oh, great.
So I use the expression in the which I talked about it, and like go out my way to, went out my way to. Do you know that phrase?
Yes.
Okay. And I get my hands on something.
Get my hands on, yes.
Yeah, so I got my hands on the seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And look forward to. Look
Looking
forward
forward,
to.
right.
Yeah, look forward to is we can learn the phrase in school. Look forward to.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
I could
well
use
done.
it.
So it was a great, interesting day for you, right?
But just I went shopping.
I see. And do you have any plans for this, holiday for you? So you'll be a couple of days off now, right?
So I knuckled down and started studying the book. I said it is called Distinction.
Distinction.
So there are 1,200 expressions in the books, and I read out 600 phrases, and I do it every day.
Wow,
so 600 phrases.
This is a great achievement, I think. Wow,
every day.
Amazing.
So, and I get on with it for 2 weeks, and I've got strike. So I want to use the words in native count.
Right.
So I've got the strike while the iron's hot.
I see.
Strike while the iron's hot is from the distinction.
Distinction, right?
So in Japan we have same idioms. The strike while the iron's hot.
I see.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I knew the word is. I knew this expression from is caused of English.
Right.
Yeah. So there are many phrases from English to Japan.
It became international now.
Yeah. International.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Exactly. I think we have similar phrase also in Serbia. Related to Bavaria.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So knuckle down is the word from that book. Knuckle down. Do you know that?
Knuckle down.
Do you know the word? Knuckle down.
So when something happens that distracts you a lot, when you're knuckled down or knocked down.
Knuckle down. Knuckle. Knuckle down.
I see. Okay. Right. Exactly.
So focus on the studying like that. Knuckle down.
Yes.
Yeah. And get on with. I get on with it for 2 weeks.
I see.
And that's all. That's all.
Okay. Well done so far. Very good.
But I can't use these phrases in my daily life, so it's very difficult for me to keep remembering it. How can I do that? How can I do that?
So you can give self target 5 phrases a day.
Yeah.
I will remember 5 phrases a day. That's enough. More than enough, I think.
But this I'm doing the 6 phrases in a day. It is like a campaign that is also writers doing. Let's study a lot in this holiday. And
so I think 1 phrase or 2 phrases a day is also great accomplishment.
he's also studying the words which from the book which is he wrote.
I see. This is interesting.
But he's actually he's also a YouTuber, and he can speak English very fluently like native speakers, because he used to live in Australia for 10 years or something like that.
10 years, I see. It's a long time, definitely.
Yeah, so
enough time to master the English now.
He's like a natural Australian, native Australian.
Native Aussie, right.
Yeah.
I see. Wow, this is a great book, I think, and it's very helpful,
Okay. I'm trying. I'll try hard.
Okay, great. Just go step by step and you will achieve your goals for sure.
Okay. Let's move to the article.